Alright, today I got another unboxing. This one is from 51morefun, and it took just a little bit. It took around 2 weeks to get here. I was looking forward to this for a while, a couple in here, so let's get to it. Alright, so this one, I was really looking forward to getting this. This is a AYI 5x5x4. It's a cuboid puzzle, fully functional. Right here, this is the main one of the purchase, I guess. It's the Shengshao 8x8. It's in black. This is this cube. It's kind of hard to tell. Looks like just a sheet of white right there. Okay. Yep. This is the white curvy copter. Right here is a white MF8 Megaminx with tiles. And it came with replacement stickers for the 8x8. What's this here? Here's more stickers for the 8x8. And then I also got stickers for my where are we at? Right here. I got stickers for my Wittieden 2x2, the Wit 2 Z stickers, or Z-Bright white stickers. Okay, so that's everything. Put that over here. So I will look at the most boring things first. Okay, so here I have my there's a fluorescent red, the orange, I don't know what they're called, here's the blue, the green, the yellow, and the white. And then with these 8x8 stickers, let's see. Okay, just a standard sticker set, replacement stickers. They're good quality. Nothing special. Right here, I'm probably going to be replacing them with these bright stickers, or half bright. There's orange, not the same as it's not the same as this orange from the Z-Bright. It's actually closer to the fluorescent red. But there's the orange, just normal red. It's a fluorescent green, fluorescent yellow, normal blue, and white. And the white ones also have a little Z cut out in this the corner right there. So I'll be putting these on as soon as I get some time. All right, well, let's start with the cube right here. Okay. Okay, and this is a landline. So right out of the box, it turns really good. It has like a it's almost like a little clicking mechanism. I don't know if there's ball bearings or something. This is my first cube. I've never had one before, so I look forward to solving that. Okay, right there. Alright, here I have my white curvy copter. I was looking forward to getting this because I actually learned how to solve the helicopter dodecahedron first, but it takes forever. But I really like solving it, so I wanted to get the I guess a small cube version. And for some reason I thought this was going to be the Tom Z version. It has or the original version, I should say. This one here is a knockoff. I'm assuming it's a knockoff. It doesn't have a signature, but anyway. So the first turns, it turns really, really good out of the box. Really smooth. I might not even lubricate it. I mean, it turns perfect. And then some jumbling moves. Come on. There we go. Right there. So that'll be fun to solve. I'm looking forward to playing with that one. Okay. Now, the MF8 Megaminx. The only Megaminx that I have is this PVC Megaminx that I modified. I mean, it turns really good. I got stickers from CubeSmith, and I took the whole thing apart, sanded it down and whatnot. So I wanted to get a legitimate MF8 Megaminx to really compare them. So I went ahead and got white and also with tiles. And so right out of the box, it turns stiff, but I can tell that it's going to be really good because it feels like solid. All I have to do is probably tension it and lubricate it a little bit, and it'll turn good. Yeah, like with my with this PVC Megaminx, it feels it's definitely not as sturdy. So I mean, it does pop sometimes. You can see right there. Kind of catches every now and then. So I look forward to comparing it to this one here. Alright, now the cuboid, the AYI 555F4. Open it up. Ooh, and I like the stickers that come with it too. They're different. The green is like a lime green. The red is a little bit brighter than normal. Let's see, normal is that? Yeah, normal red's right there. Maybe they're the same. It could be because it's on a white cube. But it's a light blue. Yellow's normal, white's normal. And right out of the box, it turns really good. The inner layers are stiff. Let's see this one here. It's a little stiff too. It looks like it's catching a little bit, or maybe not catching, almost like it's clicking. The outer layers turn amazing. See this one here? That one is a little stiff, locks up. Let's see. Yeah, that one actually catches a little bit. This one here, a little bit. So I'm going to lubricate this, and I have a feeling it's gonna be really good after I do. And then the one that I've been waiting for the most is Shengshao 8x8. So, open this up. Alright. So I've been watching other people's videos on YouTube, and I kind of knew what to expect as far as the weight. I mean, it's a little bit heavy. It's not too bad. It's about, I mean, a little bit heavier than V-Cube 7. No, not much. Maybe the same as a Gigamix. Alright, so right now I feel it's extremely greasy, and I don't know if you could pick up the grease that's on there, whatever they put, but well, so it is lubricated, and it turns amazing right out of the box. First layer, the second layer, the third layer, in the middle. So every single layer turns really good. First layer doesn't catch on anything. Second layer catches a little bit. Third layer, no. So this is a really good puzzle, really good cube. I mean, it was $88, but for me, it's worth it. So, corner cutting. Let's see. Oh, that's good. Let's see if I can do a cubey. Try and get it in the light. Yeah, without a problem. So, I look forward to playing around with this, and I was actually expecting to take it apart and kind of cut off all the little pieces of flashing that are in there, because I was expecting it to catch bad, but it really doesn't at all. I mean, a little bit on the third layer right there, you can hear it just a little bit right here, but I might not take this apart at all. Alright, well, I'm going to play with all these, tension them, lubricate them, and I will get back to you. So I've had some time to play with all of these, and you could see I stickered my Shangxiao 8x8 with the half-bright replacement stickers that came with the cube from 51morefun.com. They are Z stickers, and I stickered this piece, or sticker by sticker, individually with an X-Acto blade. So you can see there's no bumps, no bubbles. That's important to me. The contrasts are really good. You can see the blue and green. Here's the white and red, and then red and orange. Okay, the Curvy Copter ended up being, this is one of my favorite puzzles to solve. I didn't do anything to this, I didn't lubricate it. It's a lot of fun, and it moves really good, so I've solved this a lot. Oh, also with the 8x8, I lubricated it, and that was it. I didn't take it apart, didn't tension it, anything, just stickered it and lubricated it. Okay, I'm still working on this MF8 Megaminx. When I get some time, I'm actually going to take it apart and sand the pieces, because you can see, I'm going to see if this could pick it up, right in here there's a little, it's a little like line, I guess, I don't know if it's flashing or not, but it's a little like hook that the plastic makes, and it catches on pieces. So I'm just going to sand that down, and I think it'll be really good after that. I lubricated this, but I have to lube it some more after I'm done sanding it. So I think this is going to turn out really good. And this one, the AYI 5x5x4, this turned out to be one of my favorite puzzles to solve also. It moves really good. I lubricated it. I didn't tension it at all. It's a lot of fun. There's a checkerboard pattern. You can see the differences in the colors. I really like the stickers as well. Okay. And then this cube. This one, I didn't do anything to this. I mean, it has sounds like ball bearings in there, similar to the Pyraminx. It's easy to solve. It took me a little while to figure out how it works, but then I found one algorithm that you can use to solve it. So it's pretty easy. And then these are the new stickers that I got for my Wit 2, the Wit-Eden 2x2. These are the Z-Brite white stickers, and I'm pretty sure they're the only ones that follow this contour right here. So you can see the little holes, and I mean, it's an amazing cube. Now that these stickers are on there, it's that much more enjoyable. So I'm happy with all these. That's it. So thank you.